How to download videos on TeraBox. Want to download videos from TeraBox but not sure how? In this video I will show you fastest way to download videos on TeraBox, whether you are using a phone or PC. Let's get started. First of all, open the TeraBox app on your phone or visit terabox.com on your browser. Make sure you are logged in. Navigate to the video file you want to download. If you want to see it, use the search bar to find it quickly. On mobile, tap three dots next to file and hit download. On PC, click on the file, then hit the download icon. After downloading, find the video in your phone file manager or in the download folder on your PC. That's it. Now you know how to easily download videos from TeraBox in just a few steps. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.